Today we want to go over some of the details of this gorgeous 54 Studebaker that we built a couple years back. Mechanically, it sports an LS3 engine with 425 horsepower, has a 5-speed manual transmission. The performance straight ahead is phenomenal with that kind of power. It drives absolutely fantastic. It has a modern feel and a modern ride to it because it is modern all underneath. And therefore, if you're comparing it to a new car, this would drive very much like that with an excellent handling. The visuals in the interior and the comfort are all modernized as well. We use modern seating in the interior, leather wrapped, all custom designed. The door panels, for example, are a diamond tuck to match what the top-of-line Studebaker at the time had. The interior is all modern comfort. It has heated seats, air conditioning. If you're driving this car, you'll find a really fantastic comfort and drive. On the body, we did some modifications to more of a modern style. We tucked the bumpers in, because on these old cars, these bumpers were really massive. And so we tucked them into a modern styling. We shaved all the bumpers, so it's a really clean look. The back of the car, for example, we narrowed it in the very back, just to give it a bit better curb appeal. The rear wheel wells we widened to give it more tire clearance. So it still looks completely stock. Unless you knew it was there, you wouldn't be able to tell it was done. We chose this color scheme because the final Studebaker to roll off the assembly line was teal and white. We enhanced it a little bit more by putting some gold pinstriping ad sets here or there, but still look very stock and original. Let us know what you think of this fantastic car in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.